welcome to my channel. Today, we are gonna roll our bilog. And at first,
Bilo-bilo.
bilo. First, you have to get what I am rolling.
Then,
And then you have to roll it and then put it in like a batter or a plate.
okay.
Okay, watch me. I always make it really small. My ate helps me every day. Every day and every night. Okay, that's so big, sis. Next, you have to roll it really fast until it looks like this.
What's the Tagalog of circle or round?
I don't know. Bilog. Then you have to bilog around. Why does it look like a square now? Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Just do this. Okay. If you're done rolling, now it would look like this. Now you have to put it in your batter or plate.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.